Hello and welcome back to Drones Deep, and today I'm in Lower Hardres, just outside Canterbury, and just looking at surroundings. This shoot is going to be a bit of a pain in the backside. There's lots of trees surrounding, lots of private roads, and I can't find anywhere suitable to take off and land from. I need somewhere where I can get a good visual line of sight. It's very important. It's just been a little bit difficult to find a public area apart from the main road, really, which I never really fancy doing just in case cars come around. I have to keep looking for somewhere decent to take off from. Well, this looks more promising. Nice open space to take off and land from, but it's full of sheep and also the ground is a little bit wet from the dew, so trying to find somewhere to actually take off from is going to be a little bit lucky, I think is the word. I'm on the actual public footpath now, but the problem is I can't actually see the church. I can just about see the top of the steeple through the trees there. Trying to get a visual line of sight and get some decent footage. It's going to be quite difficult today, so it might be a shorter video than usual. The only other problem I have is I've been out already this morning taking photographs of the Canterbury town centre, and I've only got one battery left, so I'm hoping to be able to get enough footage to make a nice YouTube video. We've got some sheep over there behind those trees there, so hopefully they don't come and join me. But anyway, let's stop talking and let's get on with it.